Hey everyone, check out these giant sewing buttons that range from 4 to 11 inches wide and make perfect decor for your craft room, nursery, or child's room. Each button is made from sturdy 3/4 inch thick MDF and features a beautiful semi-gloss finish that adds a subtle shine and makes colors pop. These vibrant buttons bring a fun and creative touch to any space, brightening up walls with a playful vibe. Hanging them is simple thanks to the sawtooth hangers on the back, and the set includes drywall anchors and screws to ensure secure mounting. Whether you want to create a unique focal point or add charm to your sewing area, these buttons are an eye-catching addition. Their large size and vivid colors make them perfect for inspiring creativity and warmth in your home. Transform your room easily with this colorful and stylish decoration set. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.